Hi, this is Sean from Hotels Coins, and today we're going to go through our CAC Coin upgrades. Today we're going to go through our coins we just got back from CAC. We submitted 24 coins, so we got a lot of coins to go through. Hopefully we get some good CAC coins. So let's take a look. Alright, open this bad boy up. First coin is a rare date. This is an early 1851 $20 Liberty gold coin. So it's a harder to find date, early $20 lib. And this was graded by PCGS. But it did not get a CAC sticker, but it's still a nice original coin, AU53 by PCGS. So very nice early date, $20 lib. Unfortunately, it did not CAC, but that's still okay. Next up, we got our harder to find date, Morgan silver dollar. This is an 1893 from Philadelphia. Nice original circulated condition. And this is an 1893 that was originally graded XF40 but did not receive the CAC sticker. But still very nice coin. Again, all these coins can be on our website, hotelscoins.com. So please go to our website. You can check them on the shop page. Next we have is 1878 CC that was recently graded by NGC. Beautiful white coin. Nice reverse. Very few marks, but you can see the die cracking all the way across by the letters, which makes this a pretty unique, neat looking coin. And this one did CAC, and it was originally MS64 plus, so a very nice coin. So, our first green bean of the submission so far. Next up, we have an old fatty NGC holder, one of my favorite, actually my favorite holder. This is an 1880S MS64. Normally I wouldn't send an MS64 common date to CAC, but usually fatty holders CAC, and one of my favorite holders, and they're very, very saleable in this type of holder. Very beautiful coin, nice original color, and this did CAC, and like I said, it was an MS64, so very nice coin. Next we have another one graded by NGC. This is an 1885 CC, done by Carson City Mint. Originally an MS64 by NGC. And this one also did CAC. Very nice coin. So we're doing good so far on our CAC stickers. Or getting them CAC. Next we have an old Rattler. This is an 1886 by PCGS, one of the older original PCGS holders. So it's an 1886 from Carson City. Very nice coin. Beautiful cartwheel luster. And this one did CAC. So it's an MS65 CAC. Pretty coin. Next we have another semi-key date Morgan dollar. This is an 1892 S. That was recently graded by PCGS. Very nice original coin. Unfortunately, this one did not CAC, but it's still a nice original XF40. Next we have a key date piece dollar. This is a 1928 from Philadelphia. It was originally graded by PCGS as AU58. So almost uncirculated, but slightly circulated. Unfortunately, this one didn't get the CAC sticker either, but still a nice white original 1928 piece dollar. Next up is 1881 Carson City. Nice white coin. Originally graded by PCGS as MS64. Pretty beautiful coin. Did not CAC, but still a nice MS64 semi-key date Morgan dollar. Or earlier date Carson City. Next we have the old green label Morgan dollars. This one, I love this coin. It's very, very beautiful. When I originally bought this, I thought that was an absolute gorgeous coin. A nice little rim toning on it. Very pretty coin. This was originally graded by PCGS. Like I said, it's an older style green holder. Very pretty coin. And this one did CAC. So 84cc MS65 with the green bean. Very beautiful original coin. Yeah, I really like this one. Anybody buys this one's going to be very, very happy with it. It's actually gorgeous color to it. Next we got a couple dimples that we sent in. Old NGC style fatty holders. This one's an 1885. Very beautiful original color to it. You see a little bit of the dimple on the reverse. Beautiful original coin. Again, with the flashy reverse. Fortunately, the security tag got ripped off at one time or another, but still original NGC holder. This one did not CAC, but it is an MS64 dimple. Very beautiful coin. Amazing color. I really like this one. Next we have another dimple that's NGC fatty holder again. Like I said, it's my absolute favorite holder of anything that's been put out there. I like them better than Rattlers or anything else. This is an 1878. Hard to find in dimple. First year Morgan. It's hard to get them in dimple. This one is very beautiful original coin. Reverse is absolutely beautiful. There you see the flashy field. Pretty coin. This one did not CAC either, but still an absolute monster of a gorgeous coin. Next up is the key date of all wheat cents besides the 55 double die. This is a 1909 SVDB. Very beautiful coin. This was originally graded by PCGS as an MS64 red. And it did CAC, which is very, very good. Very beautiful original 09 SVDB. Nice coin. Next we have an old Commem dollar, or Commem half dollar, originally graded by NGC, 1937, and ATM. Very beautiful coin. Little rustic look, original rusted look. And this one did bang, bang, bang. Got a gold sticker. Very, very nice. So this is a CAC gold sticker. What the gold sticker means, it says it's way undergraded. So they're essentially saying this coin could be a 65, 66, or even a 67. They're just saying this coin was originally graded way under what they think it should be. Very hard to get a gold CAC sticker. I've only got one other. So when you find a coin and a gold CAC sticker, it is rare. Very, very rare. Very, very nice. And you got the gold CAC sticker thing with it. And here's a little description of a gold CAC. The gold CAC label placed on this holder denotes that this coin has exceeded CAC's stringent grading standards. So they're saying this coin is highly undergraded. Very, very nice. Very happy with that one. Next up, we got another Rattler. This is a 35. Daniel Boone. Commemorative old Rattler holder. By PCGS. And this is the 35/34. So you see 1335 here. And they put 1934 also as a date. And this was originally MS63, and it did CAC, which is very, very good. Very nice. Next we have is a earlier proof Franklin silver $half coin. If I can get it out of the holder. Okay, so we got the earlier 1951 proof Franklin $half, originally graded by PCGS as proof 65 cameo. And me seeing this coin, I mean, there's really hard one little mark right here in the face. So proof 65, it seemed highly, highly undergraded. Very beautiful coin. Reverse 2, as you can see, no marks on it hardly at all. That's a gorgeous coin. And oh my god, a second gold CAC sticker. This submission is definitely a home run. Not got but one, but I've got two. I mean, two Gold CAC stickers. That is insane. Very beautiful coin. Very, very excited. Another Gold CAC sticker. Wow. Never had two in a submission, that's for sure. Next we have a Standing Liberty quarter. 1926D. Originally graded by PCGS as an MS64. Beautiful white coin. Nice white luster to it. Really hoping this one CAC, but unfortunately it did it, but it didn't. But still a beautiful white, full luster, 26D quarter. Yeah, I can't believe we got two Gold CAC stickers. That's insane. It is so hard to get one. So hard. Next we have an 1875. This was originally graded by PCGS as you can guess with the flash, Proof 64 cameo. Very beautiful coin. There's the cameo finish. Very, very nice. And it did not CAC. But still a very beautiful coin. We got another Liberty seated dime. This one also a proof. 1873 arrows, originally graded by PCGS. It has a proof 64. As you can see, the proof fields there. Nice white coin. And this one did not CAC. But they're very beautiful seated dimes. Very nice looking in person and being proof. Next we have 1876S. Liberty seated quarter. Nice white coin. Very beautiful. This one was MS64, but it did not CAC. But still a very nice white coin. At this point, I don't care if anything CACs anymore. I mean, you got two gold ones. That just makes the whole deal. But very, very nice. We got four more coins to go. Next up was a 1941. Originally graded, as you can guess, as a proof. Being proof 67 and PCGS. This one came out of our original proof set that I broke up and sent off to PCGS individually. So this one is approved 67. And it did CAC. Very nice. Nice, nice. Beautiful coin. Next we have nice little gorgeous earlier date Buffalo nickel. This is a 1923. Nice original orange color. A lot of the nickels earlier stuff in Ankh, or even I've seen later date, they always get that when they're highly Ankh, they get that beautiful orange tone to them, as you can see here. Very beautiful. This one was a 66, but it did not CAC. But still a nice early 20s Buffalo nickel. Like I said, all these coins are going to be on our website at www.hertelscoins.com. We accept PayPal on there, or you can send us a check for a discount. Next up, we got an earlier date bus quarter. This is an 1806. Very nice original color. Did not CAC, but it still is a good 6. Harder to find earlier date quarter. Very nice. One of my favorite quarters. I love that design. Last coin of the submission. We had 24 coins, and here's the last one. Next we have a 1925 D from Denver, $2.50 gold piece. And you can see faintly the D down there. Very beautiful coin. And it did not CAC, but it's still a nice high grade 2.5 Indian. It was originally graded MS64 Plus by PCGS. So very nice. Well, that's it for today. I'm very excited having not one, but 2 gold stickered coins. Very, very nice. We had 10 CAC stickers, it looks like, out of 24 submissions. So not too bad, but with 2 gold CAC stickers, it makes this an amazing submission. So hope you guys see you guys on our next video. We're doing more CAC stuff, and we got tons and tons and tons of stuff at the grading companies, but it's taking them months to grade it. So hopefully we've got a lot more content coming out for you guys. Always please like and subscribe to our videos, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you.